Welcome to Data Source Mobility Reviews. Today we're joined by our good friend Brian Simmons from Panasonic. We're going to talk about the new healthcare grade display. So thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. So the new display, it's a 32-inch LCD display designed specifically for healthcare, is unique in a couple of ways. So one of the things that Brian's going to tell you about is the UL certifications and its compatibility with some of the common things that are used in healthcare for inpatient room television.
Absolutely true.
So tell us a little bit more about what makes the healthcare grade display unique.
Well, one thing that's very important is having the UL certification. So you have a no-shock plug that's going to be used in a patient's room, and that's very important. You want to make sure there's no shock when it's close to a patient. You also need the pillow speaker input, which is very important because this is compatible with all of the different nurse call and pillow speaker systems out there. So you want to make sure that you have that ability. Both things we have been able to accomplish.
Right, and it's also been tested for all the major video on demand or VOD systems that are out there as well, right?
Very true. Yeah, that's one thing that we were sure of, was that we were made sure that we're compatible with all of the different types of software content out there, which we definitely are.
Right, and we see a huge trend in the industry now towards this infotainment, if you will, or information for the patient, for the electronic, and even sometimes accessing electronic medical records, and giving that information to help the patient improve their outcomes, and of course the entertainment that they need to, get through the time spent and confined in a space.
Very true.
So, well, those are some of the things that make a healthcare grade display, compatible in this environment. But what is it about, when we see the word Panasonic down here, what makes the Panasonic version different from what's out there?
Well, that's a very good point. In Panasonic, we always strive for the highest quality products. We always try to be very competitive price-wise, but our main goal is having a best in-quality type product, and we really strive for the highest quality as opposed to just hitting a price point.
Right. And what's been unique about this one, and we'll speak to it in a minute, is that they are actually able to hit a great price point as well. So we're super excited about that. Well, one of the things that we do in evaluating the products and the partners that we're going to work with is we look at four primary metrics. We call it our four principles of partnership. And those are the quality of the product, the quality of the service, the value of the product and the total solution, and we're going to measure total cost of ownership and return on investment, and then also the environmental impact of the company and the manufacturer that's behind it. Panasonic, and Brian, I want to say thank you on behalf of all of Panasonic, as you're here as the representative. Panasonic absolutely leads and sets the standard in all four categories. And certainly they're known for their quality of product, they're known for the great service that they offer, but one thing that might not be known is that they are now the 10th greenest company in the world. And as I understand it, you're striving for even greater results.
That's absolutely true. And that's part of the reason that we come to the market with the highest quality products, but always taking the environment into consideration as well. Even if you think about the new headquarters building that we are currently building in New Jersey, will be a LEED certified building, and keeping the environment definitely in mind.
That's great. So when this product came out, it's setting a new standard, if you will, for healthcare displays. One thing absolutely never been done before, a 3-year on-site warranty. It's tremendous.
Yes. Very glad that you brought that point up. 3-year on-site concierge level of warranty, and you can expand that out to a 5-year warranty for a very small price.
And so when you're looking at most products that are out there, oftentimes we see hospitals that have inadvertently perhaps put a consumer-grade product, and they don't know that, or oftentimes don't know that actually voids the manufacturer's warranty when you put a consumer-grade product into a commercial space. And even those products that have a commercial-grade warranty on there are actually at best a 1 year, and certainly not on site. And so for Panasonic to come in with a product that absolutely leads from a price point perspective, absolutely leads from a quality perspective, and absolutely leads from a service and warranty perspective, we're just absolutely floored.
And we're very happy to be able to do it.
Yeah, great job. So what they've done is they've built on a legacy as the leaders in LCD and plasma technology. In the hospitality space, they had a form factor very much like this, right, Brian? And you took this and you modified it to make it a healthcare grade display and to be compatible, and still kept the price point very good. And we actually have a quantity one, $550 for this display at Data Source Mobility. Now, from what we've seen in the industry, a standard 32-inch or even sometimes a 26-inch healthcare grade display is going to go for somewhere in the neighborhood of $725 with a 1-year warranty. So for us to be $175 less with a 3-year on-site warranty is absolutely unbelievable. We also have a great bundle package that we put together in partnership with Panasonic for $800. We'll come in, we will stage all your new equipment, we'll unbox, unpack, etc. Take down your old equipment, we'll put up the new equipment on the same mounting system, and we will take away all the old equipment, all the boxes, all the wrappings, etc., and give you a certificate to show that this has been certified to have been recycled according to the exacting standards which Panasonic has for its environmental impact. So for $800, it's an unbelievable package to essentially refresh with the latest technology, with the greatest quality that's out there. So once again, Panasonic has just done a great job. We really appreciate you guys.
Thanks very much.
Thanks for joining Data Source Mobility Reviews, and Brian, thanks for being here.
Thank you.